understand that obviously for taxpayer reasons that would be a welcomed option, but for me personally and as a town, we've made steel in this town for 135 years. We're pretty good at it.
The Prime Minister has been here. He has been speaking to many of the workers, and they're hopeful that there will be a private intervention at some point, because modernising this plant could run into the billions of pounds. Business Secretary Jonathan Reynolds says his team is working hard on the ground and keep jobs going and furnaces burning. But the Conservatives have been incredibly critical, saying that the government simply hasn't acted in time. They haven't acted quickly enough to make a significant difference. Everybody here, though, really just holding their breath now, hoping that these raw materials make it here in time to keep these things burning.
Liz, thanks very much.